Hey, how's it going, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at my new to me 1993 Honda Civic Si hatchback. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. A 1993 Honda Civic. This is a 33-year-old car, and this car is actually older than me. And I picked it up simply because it was one of my dream cars. It was a car that I grew up with on the PlayStation with Gran Turismo and Need for Speed. But I'll be honest, it's pretty rough. I actually got this car back in 2024 and it's been through a lot. But for this video, I want to take you guys all the way to the beginning. So let's take a look. Okay, so to kick it off, let's look at this issue. I think it's pretty interesting. This used to be blue, but then this used to be red. And if you look over here, this used to be red. And then they painted it blue, and then they painted it black, and then primer. So that's pretty rough. Looking at the rear bumper, and it looks pretty bad. I think they just half-assed this part. So looking at the C-pillar, this looks just like primer. And then looking at the top, we've got some faded clear coat and paint up here. So we're definitely going to need to redo this part. And then the passenger door doesn't work. This windowsill here needs to be repainted. Maybe some sort of matte black. And then this part right here, the side molding, that needs to be replaced. I should be able to find some on eBay. So looking at this part, looks like the car definitely used to be red. And then at the fender, this is just primer. I'm assuming they were getting it ready for paint, but just never got around to it. And then these, they definitely have to go. I think they're pretty hideous, so I'll probably just Bondo or patch the hose up. The good news is that this is a carbon hood, but let's look over here. So this is one of those spacer things that absolutely look ridiculous, so that's definitely got to go. But besides that, at least the headlights look good, and then we have the hole for the cold air intake, and then the bumper is pretty rough. It looks like it's barely holding on. Similar to the fender, looks like they prepped the front bumper for paint, but then they never got around to painting it. And then looking at the wheels, I do believe these are the rotor grids, and then looks like they were all plastic dipped, some sort of bronze color, but as you can see, it's already peeling. Let's take a closer look inside. The cool thing about this car, it came with vice grips. I actually don't have any at my place. Lost it all, so I actually got two. The door works, obviously the window works, the manual. This is just a steering wheel from Walmart, apparently. When I first saw it, I thought it was pretty cool, but you can see here, the leather is kind of coming off already. The stitching is kind of coming off too, so it looks a little rough, up close at least. I don't know what these are, but I think they are the RSX type seats. These floor mats need to be replaced. Pedals need to be replaced for sure. Got a AM AFR gauge right here. I actually don't like this position. It's actually blocking the speedometer. So that's a safety hazard in my opinion. So that's probably gonna get relocated eventually. And then let's see. This gauge cluster is actually from, I believe, an Integra Type R. This is not mine. I'm just borrowing this. I actually have an SI cluster coming in. I believe it's actually here today. But yeah, this is going to have to go. As you can see the beautiful handiwork that the previous owners did. Kind of just literally cutting corners on a lot of things here, but it's unfortunate. So we might have to replace this entire dashboard. We'll have to see. There's no AC or heat or blower in this car, so all of this is gonna go. But yeah, and then the stereo, obviously, these stereo things, the JBLs, are gonna have to go as well. Again, this is a track car. I don't know why. Like even this, I don't know why. This car is so loud. I don't know why there's a Bluetooth or microphone in this car. But yeah, this is gonna have to go. The cool thing, this thing still works. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I like that. So that's definitely gonna stay. I like that. And then the shifter, obviously 5-speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then reverse. There we go. There's a lot of play. This is first gear. Look how much play there is. The first gear, neutral, second gear. So I've definitely stalled multiple times because I kept thinking that first is neutral. So that needs to get fixed. This is the door. The door works on the inside. I mentioned earlier it doesn't work on the outside, but it does work on the inside. There's a lot of gunk. I think there's some spider web right there. All that needs to be vacuumed. All that needs to be cleaned. Everything needs to be vacuumed. What's kind of scary is there's a lot of cut wires. So this is a wire cut here. This is for the microphone. I don't know what this is. Oh, look, more cut wires. And then looking at the back, it's pretty dirty over here. And then there's the battery. It's just sitting there. It's not even strapped down. So that's a huge no-go for track day. So I'm definitely going to have to find a solution for that. Besides that, yeah, like I mentioned, it's already stripped. So it should be pretty easy to fit a cage in here eventually. You know, that's pretty much the Civic. You know, we're going to try our best to get it roadworthy. And then we're going to go ahead and track prep it. Once it is track ready, we'll probably spend some money in getting it wrapped or painted. Besides that, I think this is gonna be a pretty fun project car. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I think it's gonna be a relatively cheap and easy car to work on. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start cleaning it. Hey guys, how's it going? For those that have been following me on Instagram, you guys will already know that I've done quite a bit of work to the Civic since I got it back in 2024. And for those that are not following, I'm going to be pushing this series of videos for the Civic that I've been filming since 2024. Essentially just a bunch of backlog that I am now editing. So if you guys are interested in more of the Civic or even the FR-S or the Forester or my GMC Sierra, feel free to subscribe or follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.